Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. And first I'd like to apologize if you can hear my son. He is weed eating. So I might put some little light music to kind of drown out the weed eating. I don't know. We'll see what I do. But anyway, today I'm starting a new project pan. I haven't been doing a lot of project panning. I'm not really good at project panning. But this one, when I joined a Facebook group called the Fantastic Ladies, I joined them a couple years ago. And when I started, I went gung-ho and was doing all these different projects, and it was just overwhelming for me. So I just stopped doing any projects. But one project that was started back then really intrigued me. And now they're starting it up for a third time. I'm like, okay, I'm going to join in. And this is Clue. We're going to play the game of Clue using our beauty products in a project pan. And what it is, there are... I'm just going to kind of paraphrase. I'm going to put a link down below to the lady, I think her name's Stephanie, who started this project pan. And if you really are interested in how all this works, go to her channel and check out her video on doing this project. If you want to do it. I don't know how all this, you know, is going to work out, but I joined through the Fantastic Ladies, and so I'm going to do follow-ups and keep up with that. You go until you win, I guess, until it's over, you know, and who knows how long that will take. I guess it all depends. Anyway, what this is you have a group of suspects, you have a group of weapons, and then a group of rooms to choose from. Each time you need to pick 3 suspects, 3 weapons, and 3 rooms to work on at a time. And what you do, you pick your items out of from the prompts, and I'll just go into the ones I've picked today. I'm not going to read them all, but there are prompts for, say, Miss Scarlet, Colonel Mustard, Mrs. White, Mr. Green, Mrs. Peacock, and Professor Plum. There's prompts for candlestick, knife, rope, revolver, lead pipe, and wrench. And then the rooms are ballroom, billiard room, conservatory, dining room, hall, kitchen, library, lounge, and study. So I'm not going to go into all that, but I will show you the 3 of each category I chose. And then it says roll the dice to see how many uses you need to use before you roll that product out and roll a new product in. And then you can make your, once you have all 3, one from each category, you can put that in as a guess, and then you will be told either, you know, if you won, or if one of them's wrong, or you just get kind of a little hint. So anyway, like I said, to really know it all, go check out Stephanie's YouTube video. But it's just like fun, so I'm just going to do it because I don't have to hit pan. I just have to use this product so many times before I roll it out. So the products I chose are, first, I'm old school. I like to write things down in a book. I don't know how y'all are, but I would rather write it in a book than put it in my phone in notes or in my computer. I don't know why. I just like to write it, the physical writing it. So I've got it written down. So for my first suspect, I've chosen Miss Scarlet. Miss Scarlet is something red, and what I chose was this Give lipstick that Clara sent me. The color is Loara, L-O-A-R-A, and that's it. It's this red lipstick. Here we go, I'm swatching. There we go, nice and red. We will find out, after I've gone through everything, we will find out how many times I have to use that. For Colonel Mustard, something yellow, my ColourPop Honey palette. I don't ever use this. Don't get that on me. I don't want to declutter it because I don't really have an all yellow palette, so I need to use this. So it's in a project. And then last, I chose Mrs. Peacock. These are liquid liner. Well, they're powder liners that you wet your brush and then use. Water activated. I have not used this at all. I think I can see a little bit of a use in this black. You're supposed to choose something blue in your, but that is Peacock. I'm going for this one right here. I'm going to use that one. See how I do with that. Next, for weapons, I chose knife. Knife is something that betrayed you. My Makeup by Mario, what is this called? I can't read. I can read. I can't see. Get my glasses on. This is the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in medium. And this betrayed me. That's the brush end. Brush end didn't betray me. This won't roll. It's practically brand new and it won't roll. Won't roll up, won't roll down. So I'm going to have to dig the product out to use it. Probably use a brush and dig it out. I'll end up somehow frankening this or doing something with it, because this is, I think I used it three times maybe and it broke. So yes, this has betrayed me. So we're going to add that for the knife. Then next for rope is a hair product, mousse. I need to use this mousse. I don't use it nearly enough, so I'm putting the mousse in. And the last I chose was wrench. And the wrench is something that twists up and down. I have this She Glam liner, this multi-chrome liner, and it rolls up and down. So we're going to put that in. Then last, for the rooms. Of course, I chose Ballroom, something shimmery. This ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, the only one I have. No, I have another one. I have two, but yeah. I need to use this. I barely use it. So it's going in this project to be used. Next, I chose Billiards Room, which is something you keep in your pocket. I don't necessarily keep this in my pocket, but I keep it near me. And that's this lip balm. This is a Sephora lip balm. And it's the tangerine one. And I got quite a bit of use out of it. It's been used, but yeah, that's something I keep near me. Not necessarily in my pocket. And then last, the Conservatory is something that smells nice. My new perfume, my new Orchid from Zara. I got this at Christmas. It smells yummy. So that is that. Now, let's head over. I downloaded an app because I have dice. I could dig out of a game somewhere. I'm not going to do that. I downloaded an app. So let's start with Miss Scarlet. And this will tell me how many times I need to use these products before I roll them out. So the Give lipstick, 8 times. Okay, we'll write it down. The Honey palette, 9 times. And the liner, Snake Eyes, 6. 6 times. All right. And then my Makeup by Mario, 6. The mousse, 4. And then the eyeliner. Whoops. Oh, excuse me. We got an ad because we have to have an ad. Let's try that again without ads. I'm going to redo it. The liner, 5 times. My son's right outside my bedroom window. Sorry, guys. Now for this Super Shock eyeshadow. 9. No, 10. The lip balm, 8. And then my perfume, 7. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. I can do that. So that's it. I'll keep you all informed. I'll do check-ins every month. This started on the 9th and I'm behind. What day am I? I am filming this on the 11th. So I will get this up ASAP and I will check in next month. It's on the 9th. Let me write that down on my notes. And yeah, this looks like fun. I'll let you know when I put in, you know, whatever you call it, when I make a clue and how it does, if I've done anything, if it's good, if it's bad, whatever. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd really love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And yeah, guys, I will talk to you guys later.